Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford EcoSport in an SE trim and powered by a 2-liter engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency with 4-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. But let's take a look inside. Here you have your handle to open your rear swing door to give you easy access to your cargo area, which can always be expanded by folding down your rear seats, and you have this sort of platform which can be moved to different elevations as you see fit. And underneath here you have your jack, or tire repair kit actually. And then looking into the back seat, we have seating for 3 comfortably with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders in the middle, as well as having a 110-volt power outlet down there. This vehicle does also have a dealer-installed remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 44,225 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, navigation controls, radio controls, phone controls, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. And you have all of your trip information, which you can cycle through. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down, you have your physical media controls, hazards, climate controls with heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. You have your auto start stop shut off, your traction control shut off, and 2 USBs, as well as a 12 volt, so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. And you have your parking brake, cubby, 2 cup holders, another cubby, and then your center compartment / armrest here, which is relatively spacious, especially if you take out this tray. And you have a ton of deep storage in there. And then last but not least, you do have a power moonroof, so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.